Hey, Jerry Zayden with Camburg here. We have these Baja design light kits we're going to be installing on our Gen 3 Ford Raptor. This is the 2021 and newer model year Ford Raptors. We're going to start with the Linkable 6 lights up on top of the front bumper. Then we're going to move into the XL80s up on the A-pillars. We also have these backup lights, as well as we're going to be adding the fog pocket lights down in the bottom, where we replace those factory little dinky lights and put these really powerful Baja Designs lights up in those fog pockets and improving on all the lights. Also, all the bracketry, all the wiring, everything's included. So enjoy the show, watch how this goes on, leave a comment, hit subscribe. So now everything's mounted. It took about 4 hours to mount the light bar, the fog pockets, and the A-pillars. We're gonna hook up all the wires, get everything connected to those factory upfitter switches, and we're gonna be good to go.